I was given the task to talk about a very simple topic, SIPOC. May just have a show of hands. How many here use SIPOC? So practically no need for me to talk about it, right? It's a well-known, well-used tool, and so far the question is, what can you say about it? Except that it's what? What is SIPOC? What does SIPOC mean? What does SIPOC mean? Oh, come on. Supplier, input, process, output, customer. So it's just an acronym. Okay, so I was asking myself, what can I say about the 5 acronyms? So I was thinking about it, and I said, maybe I'll try to look into how I've taken my journey of Six Sigma and how I've used SIPOC all over these years. And recently, I came from a 3-day session in Batangas. I was doing some continuous improvement work with around 38 school heads under DepEd, and they wanted to do their own way of improving things. You know, DepEd right now is serious in decentralizing their effort, that each school will run their school the way they should run it, not because DepEd told them to do so. Okay, talk about empowerment. But the problem is, are the school heads capable of understanding what they have? Okay, so one of the things I've realized is that when you have so many people working on so many things, they have different ways of calling things. So if you say, for example, we teach, teaching can mean many things. We process, we check, we evaluate. People have different interpretations of all of these things. And I've come to realize that when you talk about doing any improvement work, really the first question is, is there a process? Do people understand that there is a process? The other thing that I've actually come to understand is that people are also not clear why they're doing it. Motivation is not clear. And oftentimes if you ask them, why should we improve this? It will just be a burden to me. What is it for me? I've been doing this for the last 20 years. Why should I bother changing it? The other thing that I also notice is that there's really no clear timetable. Yeah, we have to improve, we have to do this, but who's in a rush? We've been doing this for so long. Anyway, we still have customers. They buy our products. They're there. Why should we change? Okay. And the last one that I noticed is that there really is no clear ownership. We talk about having process owners. Sino ba yun? Okay. Typically, the process owner will be the boss. But the boss cannot be a process owner because you cannot be everywhere at the same time. Somebody else should be in charge.